If you want to enhance your Snapchat security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access Profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Manage Security. Scroll down to the Security section and select two-factor authentication or login verification to access your security settings. Step 5. Remove old devices. Look for the option that lists devices connected to your account. Select the devices you want to remove and confirm the action to ensure they are no longer linked to your Snapchat account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and secure your Snapchat account by removing any old devices. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to keep your account safe.